Hello, welcome to Huanitech Intelligence. How can I help you today?
The HUA R1 from Huanitech arrives as a compact bionic female desktop companion that feels less like a machine and more like someone quietly sharing your space. As an off-screen voice speaks, her micro actuators spring into action. They execute hyper-realistic expressions, including a slight smirk, a curious squint, and fluid lip movements that are perfectly synchronized to the spoken speech. She actively listens, remembers specific details from earlier in the conversation, and answers with deep context.
张总你好，欢迎到访华影智能，请问有什么可以帮您？
我觉得你们王总5点钟的会议。
When a person off-camera jokes, her eyebrows lift and a quiet, natural laugh comes out. Conversely, when the conversation's tone softens, she perfectly mirrors it by seamlessly lowering her voice and relaxing her posture. This incredible facial system is not just a simple library of stock expressions. Instead, it is a continuous mapping of micro-movements that instinctively respond to the emotional tone of the conversation. Beyond these visible features lie several structural secrets that Huanitech rarely advertises. Cramming more than 20 high-precision microservos into a skull smaller than an average human head creates an enormous thermal challenge. To solve this, Huanitech designed a cleverly hidden internal air channel system. This setup actively vents motor heat away from the face, completely preventing it from degrading or warping the delicate silicone skin over long operating hours. Finally, when it comes to pricing and exact launch windows, Huanitech has kept the details quiet, strongly preferring direct consultation. These highly customized robots are available directly through the company itself, featuring configurations that are specially tailored for individual companionship rather than mass retail shelves.